I'm a technical support engineer on the polymers plant here in Grangemouth. I joined polymers about 5 years ago on the mechanical graduate scheme, and through various opportunities I've managed to transition into my current role as a technical support engineer. Through my role I am supporting any technical queries that come through the plant's operations and supporting those where I can. Recruitment process was very thorough. Tested competency-based questions and technical-based questions. I also got the opportunity to present a solution to a problem that a company like INEOS might face in terms of sustainability and circular economy. Funnily enough, I got the opportunity 3 or 4 years later on to work on a study that I spent 6 months working and developing on that solution in much more detail. A site like Grangemouth faces a lot of issues surrounding sustainability. I've had the opportunity to work on 2 or 3 specific to the polymers plant that I work on. So recently I spent 6 months working on a study to look at the capabilities of our equipment to process recycled material. Here at Grangemouth we strive to ensure that no pellet is lost to the environment, so I'm looking at ways of making sure that all the pellets that we produce here on the polymers plant are contained within the boundaries of the plant. So there's a lot of initiatives surrounding that project. So the Namibia Challenge is an excellent opportunity that the graduates get here at INEOS. We are taken to the desert in Namibia and are put through a series of challenges, physical, mental, the whole shebang. It's a great way of meeting the rest of the graduates around the globe, and ultimately leads to us undertaking a 6-day expedition across the Namibian desert, involving marathons, half marathons, 80k cycles, summiting the highest mountain in Namibia, the Brandberg mountain, camping out at the top, a whole array of physical challenges, and it's unlike anything I've ever experienced before, and unlike anything I think I'll experience again. In one word, I would describe INEOS as diverse. The opportunities that we get here are, there's a huge array of work that we do here at INEOS, not just here at this site, but across the globe.